Really, Spooky Cat? You know I am tired of your friend Top Cat hanging out with you. You are so dead. Why did you go with him park for a walk?
Because Top Cat is my friend. Please don't ground me, Dad. I am sorry.
Shut the fuck up. I am extremely mad now. You cannot go to park with Top Cat now. Top Cat is his room. You're staying here with him for 3 days.
You shut the fuck up, asshole.
Oh, Spooky Cat, how dare you say a naughty word and slap me? Thoughts it. You are grounded. Benny and Fancy are too because you are naughty, stupid idiot.
Take that, bitch.
Washington, wow, Spooky, please, you're just mad. Please stop scratching me.
I don't care, you nasty, naughty, poopy ass of my cat food. Shut up, dumbass.
Oh no, Spooky Cat, are you evil?
Yes, my name is Evil Spooky. I am my evil form. Boris the Teeth Guy and Evil Yellow Horse are my friends now. Fuck you.
No.
Now Sky Blue Officer Top Cat's house turned into fireplace. Now I will scare you.
My ears are bleeding.
You are now dead. What do you think I can do next? To be continued. Rara.
It's your fault, Blue Officer, you grounded me.